You have to just try and run up, Neve, and then you slide back down. You want to do what, Luke? Take your shoes off, did you say? Yes. I don't know if you need your shoes off, really. Because you slide no better. Leave the socks on, though. Yeah, because then you'll be more slippy slidey. I know, well, you that's the thing, isn't it? That's very good, Nevie. Oh, how did Grace get up there?